13 wants us to find the sine of the tangent inverse of 3 over 2. So this tangent inverse of 3 over 2, this is going to give us an angle. So this is some angle theta, we could call it. So this question is basically saying, what is the sine of theta, where theta is equal to tangent inverse of 3 over 2. Now, I don't use the unit circle for this one. I'm actually going to make my own triangle. And I'm going to make that because I know this is the opposite over the adjacent. So tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. And if I make a triangle, call that theta, I know this is 3, I know this is 2, and then I can use Pythagorean theorem to get the hypotenuse. So if you take 2 squared plus 3 squared is equal to c squared, we get 13 is c squared, or c is square root of 13. So now that you have the triangle, the actual question is asking for sine. So sine, so now we're dealing with sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. And then I want to rationalize this. So I do want to multiply by square root of 13 over square root of 13 to get 3 square root of 13 over 13. So I actually never figure out what that angle theta is. But it doesn't really matter. The triangle is just used to get what sine is. So just to kind of recap, use the tangent to make the triangle. Then once you have the triangle, figure out what sine is.